Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Macro Agent. I'm Naren Kumar. Today we will be discussing about prompt enhancement. So welcome to my video and let me tell you what is prompt enhancement. So prompt enhancement is something that you ask the AI in a specific way and it will give you the best output possible. So I have written a basic and the best way to teach you what is prompt enhancement. So here, see basically it is defining instructions to AI for decision outputs, meaning that our AI gives us an output when we ask something, and the prompt enhancement is something which will enhance that output for us, adding constant constraints and specific goals. In basic prompt, what we do is we just give or ask something which is relevant. Here what we do is in prompt enhancement we will add a context, say what it needs to do done. We add constraints. In constraint we will say what it doesn't need to do, and we will also add specific goals related to that particular thing. Translating human intent into AI optimized logic, meaning that the more information you give to the AI, the more better it becomes. Meaning that if you ask AI that I want a budget of 10,000 and I need, in this 10,000 I need to invest in so and so and so and stocks, but it will only give you the stocks. But if you ask it in detail in a terminology, it will give you the best outcome possible. Why does it work? Guides AI attention. So basically, it stops the hallucination of AI and it gives proper roadmap to AI that how it should work, like what terminology it should use. Reduces ambiguity. So basically, when we are assigned a task and we are told nothing about it, what we do is we get confused. Similarly, AI also get confused. So if we give it in detail, the ambiguity reduces, and which leads to a best outcome given by the AI. Improves pattern matching. So this pattern matching is something that AI already has a set of data in it, and using that data, it gives us an output. So when we use specific terminology and specific words, what happens is the AI will grasp those particular terminology and match the terminology with the data it already has and gives us the best outcome as possible. Next, enables the chain of thought. As I already said, it gives a roadmap to the AI that how it should be done. Like first step should be this, second step should be that, third step should be that, and with that the AI gives us a clever answer. So here you can see what is normal prompt and what is enhanced prompt. So basically, what is normal prompt is write a blog about AI. See here the AI is confused. The AI doesn't know what is happening. The AI wants to write a blog, but on what? So it will be confused. It will write a big blog about anything, and you will not get the output you really want. On the other hand, let's see enhanced prompt. Role: cost and management accounting. Topic: strategic cost analysis for the quarter three. Tone: analytical and executive. Length: 1,000 words report. Audience: C-suite executives. Include variance analysis, key performance indicators, and actionable insights. So here it knows it is a CMA. It knows the topics which has to be covered in the blog. It knows the tone, in which tone it should write the answers. It knows the length that the total blog should be completed within the 1,000 words. It knows the audience that C-suite executives will be reading it, and it also include and I it's it, and it also include variance analysis, key performance indicators, and actionable research. See how clear it is. By this clear thought, we can make AI work a lot better than a normal prompt, as you can see here and see here. So the magic AI framework, how we should write a prompt to get the best outcome out of it. And one of the best, I will say there are also a lot of other chain of thought prompts and other prompting techniques, but recently I am using this a lot. So it is basically create. C means character. Character means what you are gonna be. Suppose I am a CMA, so I will tell it your role is to be a CMA. 11 context means backstory. In backstory, it means that uh, presently in our organization, my MD asked me to prepare a costing report, and this is the data I have. This is the materials that have been issued. This is the labor that has been utilized, and this is the direct expenses that has been issued for that particular project or that particular product. So this is kind of a backstory. I thought you will understand it. Explicit task, which you have to do, like based on the backstory, you have to prepare a variance analysis for me so that I can present it to my MD. Next, tone and style. It is like I want you to write in a bold and professional manner so that it takes a lot less time, and it will give the best outcome in a very short matter of time, so that the audience can really read it fast. Target audience. Target audience, the readers. Readers means who is gonna be reading that particular the persons. No, please avoid any jargons, technical terms, because you are telling it to a kid. Think of it as you are telling it to a kid and many more. So exclusion means everything that needs to be avoided. That you think that in this report the AI will give answers, but you need to avoid it. Hey guys, as you can see, I have opened Google, and now here I will be using two tools, Gemini and Claude, for the prompt enhancement. And I will show you how the prompt enhancement is done. So first I will open Claude and also Gemini. Okay, now we will type here sign 1 and 2. And as you can see, it has already given us the prompt. Let's copy this and paste into Gemini. The prompt will be given below to you for Claude and also this prompt for Gemini. I have just pasted it. As you can see, there are some things that we have to remove because we have copied the whole prompt. When we delete this whole thing, as you can see, I have sent it. And as you can see, we have got the output. It's try to say your story in the word question when it has some constraint over 15 years of age. I can tell that you that most people think accounting is just about counting the money. CMA is a person who tells the business how to make and save the money. In India, this profession is known by the shift of cost account. And see, as you can see, it has given a CMA, however, is a strategist. Cost accounting, management accounting, financial accounting, cost structure, eligibility and registration, timeline and costs, career prospects and salary, day-to-day responsibilities, skills required, is it worth? So as you can see, everything is given here. Let's ask it as in a simple prompt. Tell me about CMA, that is cost and accounting. CMA. See. As you can see, it has only given us 4 points. While you can see here, it has given us brief introduction, its description, course structure, eligibility and registration, timeline and cost, career prospects and salary, day-to-day responsibilities, skills required for success, is it work? So as you can see, because of prompt enhancement, Gemini has added 4 more points which should have been included if you haven't did the prompt enhancement. Thank you for watching. Follow for more the macro vision.